We usually use estimation with our divisor when we do our division, but it's hard to estimate with 1 6/10. So we're going to multiply 1 6/10 by 10 to get rid of the decimal. When I multiply 1 6/10 by 10, I know that my digits will all move one place value to the left. That means instead of 1 6/10, I will have 16. The 1 moves into the tens place and the 6/10 moves into the ones place. If I multiply the divisor by 10, I also have to multiply the dividend by 10 to keep the equation balanced. So 56 multiplied by 10 is 560. In lesson 26, we saw that if we multiplied both the divisor and the dividend by the same number, we would end up with the same answer. So now I'm going to divide 560 by 16. I'll fill in the dividend in the boxes and put my divisor on the outside. So we have to remember that in our division problem, it's the second number that's the divisor. So that goes on the outside of the box. The first number is our starting point. That's the dividend, and that goes inside the box. Okay, so now we're going to ask how many groups of 16 can we get out of 5? Well, I can't take any groups of 16 out of 5. So I'm going to move the 5 over to the next box. And now my question is, how many groups of 16 can I get out of 56? Well, I can think of 16 as being pretty close to 15. And I know 15 and 15 is 30. Another 15 would be 45. So that's pretty close. So I will try 16 times 3. So I'll do my multiplication off to the side here. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. So we'll subtract 48 from 56. And we'll get 8 there. So I will put 3 above that box to show that I took out 3 groups of 16. And we'll move the 8 over. And now my question is, how many groups of 16 can I get out of 80? And I'm going to shoot for 5 there. So let's try 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 plus 3 is 80. So we'll subtract that. And that was 5 groups. And I have no remainder. So since 560 divided by 16 is 35, that tells me that 56 divided by 1 6/10 is also 35.